What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor, also known as a MAF sensor, in this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Disconnect the connector. There's a little lock tab on the connector. Slide that up, that little red thing, and then push down on the tab right there. Release the connector. Take a T20 socket, extension and a ratchet, and I'm just going to take these two screws out. Just grab the sensor and slide it straight out. Take the sensor, it's going to slide in this way. There is an arrow on the sensor. Some may have the arrow, some may not. The arrow is pointing in the direction that the airflow is going to go, so the airflow is going that way. Take the screws, reinstall the screws. Take the T20 socket, extension and a ratchet, and just snug these up. Not too tight, you are tightening into plastic, so just snug. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place, and then push down on that lock. You're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.